Hey guys, welcome to another video of No Rule 79 Captures, and if you guys haven't already followed me, go there and put that subscribe button, ping ping. Yeah, alrighty. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to apply beard oil. Well, anybody could have shown you that, but now what I'm gonna tell you is the two techniques which probably none of the videos in there have actually shown. I'm gonna tell you two techniques how to apply the beard oil. So first of all, it's quite simple. Need to have the beard, and then how do we apply it? The hairs, which with gravity obviously go down. So the very first technique when we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you now. So you take any beard oil into the palm, rub it, and then what is the first technique is that you want to work the oil upwards rather than putting it downwards. So you do this, this, and then this. So what it does is the oil is actually going into the places where it normally doesn't go. People normally do this, that's not gonna work. So you need to rub it right in there and take all the way up, 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 and then you can work from top to bottom. What it's doing basically is that it's taking all the oil and taking it into the spaces where it doesn't normally go. It's going into the skin, it's going into the follicles, it's definitely going into the hairs which are after that. So that's a technique number one. Now we come into the technique number two, how we're gonna do it. All right, so that is gonna come with a magic tool, which is ta-da! This magic tool is a wooden comb. Now you would wonder why not to use the normal regular comb. Reason being, a wooden comb would not have any static part into it. So with do you remember those tiny childish tricks when you used to comb your hair and then you take paper and then you attach it and sticks to it? That's known as the static part. You guys can go ahead and search for the static part. I'm gonna leave a link down for searching about this static part as well, what it is and why not to use that. But for now, what we're gonna do is that's gonna be our wooden comb, and you comb your beard only with this. There's gonna be two benefits for this, which is gonna be A, there's not gonna be any static power, and B, not having static power in hair would make the hairs keep longer. It would not let them fall away, or it would not weaken them. Because reason being, the static part does is that it joins with other hairs as well and then sort of pushes them out. It brings them out along with your comb. So what you're gonna do is just comb your beard all the way from there and bring it down. Thank you so much guys. That was a quick one from me, and that was how to apply beard oil. I showed you two techniques, which was first of all how to apply the beard oil, which is running from bottom to the top and then bringing down, and the second one was doing it with a wooden comb. Thank you so much, and again subscribe to my channel. Cheers man, bye.